Hi guys, Sam here with entrepreneurschool.io, and in this lecture we're going to be looking at what is YouTube. Now this may seem like a really obvious question, and I absolutely assure you it is not as obvious as it sounds. YouTube is a range of different things, but primary, we'll look at that later on. I don't want to give the game away. So what is YouTube? It's a video sharing site. It's an advertising powerhouse. It's owned by Google, so AdSense does billions of dollars worth of profit every year on YouTube from Google. It's also a source of information for lots of people. Lots of people go there if they want to learn something. And it's also a source of entertainment. You've all seen the funny cat videos and things of that nature on YouTube. But ultimately, and I put that in bold, YouTube is a massive search engine. It is the world's second largest search engine, just following behind Google. So the parent company Google is the world's largest search engine, and the second largest search engine is YouTube. So that is really important to note. There's a lot of traffic there, and it is hard to get found, but once you can get found, it is very lucrative. So just some quick stats about YouTube. I got these quickly before. YouTube has 300 hours of content added every single minute. So that proves exactly how hard it is to get found. There is a lot of stuff being uploaded. And there's also around 1.3 billion users. So just to put that into comparison, lots of content, lots of users, not losers. Therefore, you can do really well on YouTube if you use the right technique. So we'll look at that in this course, how you can do well and drive lots of traffic to your videos. Your videos don't actually have to be great, they just have to be able to be found. So bear that in mind throughout this course.